Hello, it's Papi again, baby doll. Yeah, today we're going to be talking about something that I love to talk about, going to the bathroom. That's right, going to the bathroom. So you got to talk about going to the bathroom because in the road is very important. You need the bathroom, right? But the thing is, in stealth camping, okay, we don't have a bathroom in the minivan. We don't have a bathroom in there, okay? So what do we do? Oh, first of all, before I get to that, let me just say this. I'm going to be sharing some great tips today, okay? So hit the like button, okay? Smash it, okay? With malice or forethought. Hit that freaking like button because what happens is then more people who are into this stuff, man, they're going to see the video, they're going to get help, and we're going to have a much better, happier people. And the happier people you have, the more love and beauty and wonder and friendship and peace that goes down into place, man. You know what I'm saying? So smash that like button, will you? And let's begin. So like I was saying, we don't have a bathroom by design, okay? Because the way we do budget stealth camping, we don't want to have a bathroom in there. We want to have a small vehicle, like I've been telling you. Stealth, nobody knows that you're actually living in there, okay? So this is how we do. So how do we go to the bathroom then? The first thing is, when you have to do your necessities, you have to do your business. First of all, you're gonna go out to other places, okay? You're gonna use restaurants. You're gonna use Walmarts. You're gonna use gas stations, okay? And my favorite is Planet Fitness, okay? That's the best. And I'm gonna talk about more of that in a second. Now, you people are asking me, or you're thinking, well, how do I take a shower? I mean, I'm gonna be stinking on the road. And I agree, man. Please, for the sake of the environment, keep yourself clean, okay?
Not at all, boy!
Help out, do your part, okay? So if you're gonna be clean, what do? And this is where I'm gonna get into the whole Planet Fitness thing, okay? This Planet Fitness is the best thing, okay? You can hit the link in the description, okay, to join the Planet Fitness. It's a beautiful thing. You know why? Because for like $20-something a month, okay, you get a black card, okay? Means you can use anyone in the whole country. And what do they have there? They have great workout machines, first of all. Second of all, they have bathrooms. And man, they got showers. They got massage chairs, okay?
God, this feels good.
They got mirrors, they got sinks, they got all the things you need to do. Sometimes I plan my trips based on where the Planet Fitnesses are. But fortunately, there's everywhere. The Planet Fitnesses are all over the country. So how do I do it? Well, basically, I'm gonna show you how I bring my stuff in. What is this? This is it's like a fisherman's vest, okay?
How classy.
I'm gonna put a link, okay, in the description where you can get these kind of fisherman vests. But look at what was great about it. It has pockets everywhere, okay? What do I put in these pockets? I put all my toiletries and stuff, man. All the stuff you need. So let me show you what I got in here. Okay, in the bottom pocket, what do I got? I got stuff that you need for your hygienes, okay? I got, for the hair, I got the hair pocket. I got my hairbrush. I got hair gel for the few hairs I have left, okay? This is how I do my coif, which you haven't seen yet because I've been wearing these baseball hats, but I'm gonna show you pretty soon. Okay, in the other pocket on the other side, you look in there, what do I got in here? It's my teeth pocket. I got my flosses. I got because I gotta floss those teeth, man. I got my toothpaste, okay? Toothbrush, okay? I forgot to put it away the right way, my travel toothbrush. Wait, how do you do this? Wait, hold on. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to look, okay, in the pocket. Okay, and the toothbrush. Then I even have this. Oh, I recommend this. This is great stuff, man. Now I'm giving you some dental hygienist tricks of the trade, okay? One of these little teeth scraper things. Man, I love these things, man. They clean your teeth better than anything. Okay, that's a bonus. Just Venmo me, man, for the bonus information I'm giving you, man, because this is amazing stuff. In this pocket, what do I got? I got a stopper, a drain stopper. You know what you do with this, man? when I go, sometimes I have to wash my clothes, right? And which I'm on a whole other video I'm going to make about this. But I go into the Walmart bathroom, and or whatever bathroom I'm in, I put this in the sink. It stops the water, and I wash my clothes in the sink, right in there. And that's how I do it with the stopper. Another bonus, man. I'm giving you some good information here. Okay, on the inside pockets. Okay, what do I have? I got on the inside pocket. I'm not even going to pull it out. I have my deodorant, shaving cream. I have shaving cream, deodorant, blades to shave. The other side, inside pocket, I got, look, fingernail stuff to clean your fingernails. I got a little trimmer, man. You got to trim hairs from places, okay? I also have a nail clipper, man. Sometimes you got to clip those nails, man. You look like a werewolf. You know, you don't want to look like a werewolf on the road. You don't want to scare people with your toenails. I have done that. I've scared some people really unnecessarily, because now I have the tools. You know, there's no excuse. You have all your tools in this little vest. Oh, I have a back pocket too, in the back, that I put my towel in. I put the towel. Maybe you don't have a Planet Fitness. Maybe you have to go to the bathroom in the Walmart to do your toiletries, okay? That's happened to me too. So what do? I just throw this thing on, walk into the Walmart. They don't think I'm gonna go there and take 20 minutes and do all my toiletry stuff. That I'm gonna be shaving and all the stuff. They don't have to know that stuff. I just take, because everything's in the vest. I look like I'm just gonna go to the bathroom, but actually I'm in there and I'm doing my whole business, man. I'm doing my whole business in there. It's stealth, man. Ba, 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 ba. Nobody has to know what you're doing. Nobody has to know that you're living in the van, okay, on the road, okay? Of course, you don't have to do it this way, okay? I'm just walking around in circles around my house. I know you're getting dizzy, but I like videos with motion. You know, that's just me. But anyway, you don't have to do it this way, but this is how I do it. I do it with the vest. Now, most of the time now, because of Planet Fitness is so good, I just go to Planet Fitness. If you're going just to Planet Fitness, you don't have to do the whole vest and sneak in. You could take your toiletries in a bag. However you want to do it. You know, do what works for you. But I just do it like this because it makes it easy to carry. I don't have to carry something separate. People look at me like I'm a little crazy. What's this guy, a fisherman? It's okay with me. I'm probably not going to be there for too long, okay? But the Planet Fitness is the best because you really can take your time. The showers are nice and clean and they keep it very well. If you can't take a shower, say there's no Planet Fitness, what you can do is you go to one of these truck stop places, okay? Like Love's, okay? Or like, they have different names, but they're like where the truckers go. But they have showers that you can rent. I think it's like, I don't know, like $10 or $12. It's a little expensive, but whatever. When you gotta take a shower, you gotta take a shower. But what's nice about it is they have, and I'm going to take you there one of these days. They have the showers, they have the toilet, they have the sink, all in your own little room. No, so it's all private. It's all to yourself. You take whatever time you need to take. You do your thing there. So there's always a backup. But I prefer the Planet Fitness because I like to work out, you know, I like to look good, you know, I like to take my time, I like the massage chairs.
God, this feels good.
Okay, they have the Wi-Fi. So after I finish with my shower, I get my computer, I sit there, and I can use the Wi-Fi, and I can send you videos, okay, on the road, because I got the Wi-Fi right there. So it's beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Okay, two things you always have to have in your car when you're on the road, okay? Number one is a urinal. This is a beautiful piece of equipment, man. When you need it, you need it. And you know what I'm talking about. So in the middle of the night, okay, when you're sleeping and you have to go to the bathroom, like I said, once you're in the van, you do not want to get out of the van, okay, for any old reason, okay? Because you don't want anybody knowing you're in there. You're not going in and out. You go in for the night, you come out when you wake up. So you're going to have to use the bathroom in the night. You have a urinal, okay? Now, they make a female lady part version of this, okay? I'm going to put it in the link in the description down there.
Sitting on toilet. Sitting on toilet.
So you can click it and you can buy it. It's essential equipment, okay? The other thing you have to have is a roll of this, okay? Because you never know. You never know. You might go to a gas station. They don't even have toilet paper. You might have an emergency. You never know. You gotta have some toilet paper, one roll at least, in your vehicle. This is very, very important, man, because this is what happens. So this is the car stuff. Now, like again, I tried to do number 2 in the outside during the daytime. Once I'm at nighttime, I'm not doing that unless it's an emergency, I'm sick or something. So just to recap, you're gonna want to have on board roll of toilet paper on board and a urinal. And during the daytime, you want to have a nice way to carry your toiletries, like this beautiful vest, and you want to use an outside bathroom, Walmart, Planet Fitness, or one of these truck stop places, or restaurant, or look, whatever you got to do to use the outside and to keep yourself clean, healthy, beautiful, looking gorgeous. So do me a favor now, click the like button that you like this video, okay? And consider subscribing, okay? Because when you click the like button and subscribe, it tells other people this is good content, and they get to see it, and they get to be part of this revolution of living life and being able to go wherever you want to go, man. It's a beautiful thing, man. So share the love, man. Share the love. Share the love. I see you in the next video.